Hey y'all, my name is Megan Gravois and I was born and raised in Vacherie, Louisiana on a 4th generation sugarcane farm. And this is Blackberry Farms. Blackberry Farms was started over 65 years ago by my grandfather, Charles Gravois Sr., and is now owned and operated by his sons Chuck, Dickie, and Greg, and my cousins Charles, Phil, and Lee. Sugarcane is a member of the grass family, which means it'll grow another stand after each harvest. However, after 3 to 5 years, the yields tend to go down substantially. Seeing as how it's late summer, that must mean it's time to plant some cane. First, rows are drawn using GPS technology. Despite technology, plant cane is still cut with an original sugarcane harvester, which leaves the stalks whole. This is because more open ends will leave the plant cane susceptible to bugs and disease. Each stalk is cut at the base of the row, in addition to having the leafy green top removed. The cane cutter then lays each stalk to the center of the 2 rows, allowing for easy collection for the cane loader. The cane loader pushes the stalks of cane along the ground, forming a large pile. The large pile is then picked up with the mechanical arm and placed into the planter until the wagon is full. Each row is planted mechanically. Stalks of cane are laid in the rows, as new sprouts of cane will grow at each joint like this. After the cane has been planted, the walkers must pass down each row to ensure that 3 to 5 stalks have been laid in each place and to ensure that the planter didn't miss any gaps. With 600 acres to plant, that means each worker will average about 100 acres in 90-degree or more heat. Not an easy job. After each row has been walked, the rows are covered. Well, I hope you enjoyed your day here on Blackberry Farms, and if you come back next year at this time, this empty field should be as tall as the cane we cut today and ready to harvest. Thanks for all your help in raising some cane, but I've got some work to do.